Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today I wanted to give you guys some of my Amazon faves that I love for my hair. I don't know about y'all, but Amazon is like one of my favorite places to shop. I shop there all the time, and online shopping is just my thing. So I love Amazon. It comes quick, free shipping, like you can't beat it. So first let's talk about the obvious, my steamer. I just got this steamer and I am obsessed with this steamer. It's a standing steamer. I have a Q redo and a tabletop one that I'm gonna sell in my Poshmark store because I don't even want them. This is bad. First of all, I love that it's standing. I love the head space that it has. Like, it has a really big head space. I can pull this all the way down like this and my puff is not even getting smashed or anything. The steam is good. It doesn't drip on the back of my neck. It's really, really super quiet. Like, I freaking love this steamer. Like, I'm obsessed. I'll be showing you guys in an upcoming video just me sitting under the steamer and how I use it, how it works, and all of that good stuff. But girl, you need a steamer. Next are my scalp massagers. So I've had these 3 scalp massagers for a really long time. And you know, when you first get it, you hype and you use it for like a week and then you just like not using it anymore. Well, I really tried to incorporate massaging my scalp back into my regimen and I've really been enjoying it. So the 3 types of massagers I have is this one. This is the one that I just use when I'm just sitting around in the house. I'm watching TV. I'm just like not really doing nothing. I can use this because using my hands hurt, and when I'm using my hands, I'm just like rubbing like this. But a massager actually moves the tissue around and actually gives you like a real massage. When you go get a massage, if they're just doing this on your body, you're like, that's not a massage. You want something that's actually gonna move the tissues around. So that's why I like these scalp massagers. So this one is one I just use when I'm sitting around the house. This is the one I've started using again in the shower, and if you saw my last video, you know that this exfoliates your scalp. It does vibrate. It has 2 levels of vibrate, so that's always good as well. This one is my Fit Top scalp massager, and I love this scalp massager. Like, it feels so good. It has like vibrate and it has pulsation and all of that stuff, and I just freaking love this thing. It feels so good on my scalp. Like, this thing is amazing. My hands don't get cramped. Like, it's just so good, so good. As you can see, it vibrates and it has different levels of vibration. So I really, really do love this scalp massager. You can turn the vibration on with the massager moving around, or you can turn the massager part off and just have the vibration. And of course, you can have the massager without the vibration. So I love this thing, and I'm glad I started using it again. I do get questions from you guys sometime about my water bottle. I love this water bottle. I think it's just cute because it looks like a champagne rosé bottle. And this is the bottle that I reach for when I need some water. I've got the 360 mister and all of that, and you know, it's a cute little shh. But when I need some water and when I need my hair to get wet, this is what I reach for, and I absolutely love this thing. And I think it's just cute. Like, it's cute. Now I'm going to show you guys some conditioners that I only buy on Amazon because you can get them for such a good price and so much product. So first are these Design Essentials conditioners. They are conditioners, but I use them as deep conditioners. And y'all, when I'm telling y'all need to try these. Now this one is the almond butter one. So this one is so freaking moisturizing. You get 32 ounces for like $20. Like, I spend $20 on an 8-ounce deep conditioner all the time. This is bomb. Like, the moisture is just amazing. And this one is the rosemary mint. And baby, if you want a tingle on your scalp, honey, and look how much product you get for $20. Like, girl, these will come in clutch. They will last you. If you somebody, you ain't got time to be like a product junkie, you don't need to be trying a whole bunch of stuff, you need a whole lot of something for a little bit of money, bam, pick these up. They will last you, and they are both good. Also, one of my favorite conditioners that I also use as a deep conditioner is this Care Dry and Itchy Scalp Conditioner, y'all. You get a whole quart of it. Now this one is $30, but you get a whole quart of it, and y'all, the tingling on the, I don't think I've ever used a deep conditioner that gives me a better tingle than this, other than this. Like, these two are both great to get that like minty cooling tingling sensation, like this right here. And the slip, ma'am, sir, alien, somebody better hear me. The slip on this, I love it for a conditioner. It just has such a great amount of slip. It's got like a nice gooey kind of texture. Like, I love this, clearly because I have the big one, but this, y'all have to try this too. Now, this is my bladeless fan. I love this thing. I'm obsessed with it. Normally, I use it to dry my lashes when I'm putting on my lashes, when I do my makeup. It has 3 different speeds, and I absolutely love it. And so I know you're thinking like, but this is supposed to be for hair. So the only time I use this for my hair is when I'm trying to lay my edges and I need them to dry down quickly and I ain't got time to be playing, honey. Whether you wear false lashes or not, you want to lay your edges, or honey, it's you just hot, get this, throw it in your purse. Honey, summertime is on the way. You better get you one. And it comes with this cute little stand and all of that. Like, I love this thing. And it's USB charged. So this is just cute, convenient. Throw it in your purse for the summertime when you hot, honey. You don't got to pull out no big fan. You just... Next are these drawer organizers over here. I love these to organize my products, my, you know, rods and rollers and different things like that. I absolutely love them for that. Love the fact that they do roll and there's a lot of drawers and you can move it around the room as much as you want. So I do really like that. They definitely keep me organized. I love to be organized and they really help with that. Don't forget about your satin pillowcases. Now, I have a few different colors, but my favorite color to get is black, because sometimes we have oils in our hair, we have pre-pools in our hair, we have all type of different stuff in our hair sometimes when we sleeping, and black don't show none of that. So I recommend you get black. I absolutely love black. If you want something to match your bed set, of course they have other colors, but black, as far as like the pillow that you're gonna sleep on, get the black one. Also, my Amazon favorites are mostly all the things that you see me using for my DIY. So my Ayurvedic herbs, my butters, my oils, my equipment like measuring cups and spoons and bowls and different things like that. All of that stuff comes from Amazon. Blenders, immersion blenders, storing containers for your DIYs, like all of that stuff comes from Amazon. And of course, last but not least, large black satin scrunchies. These are great for preserving my hair at night. I'll show you guys a, you know, nighttime routine of how I preserve my hair to wear it the next day and have it still looking good. But these definitely come in clutch, especially when I'm wearing a wash and go. When I wear a twister, I can just, you know, twist up my hair. But I mostly use these when I'm wearing like a wash and go or a rod set or something, just to keep my hair in place while I'm sleeping under my bonnet. So you definitely need these. So you guys, those are some of my Amazon favorites for my hair. I hope you guys try some of these if you don't already have them. And let me know what are some of your favorite Amazon products for your hair. Leave me a link too. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.